Hello guys, hope you guys are doing great. Let's get started with our today's video. Take a glass bowl and put it inside the balloon. Now take a rubber band and then tie it over the balloon. Blow the balloon and see how bouncy this balloon will look while this face is being drawn on this happy balloon. Take this sheet and now start folding it in this manner. After folding it in this manner, you can simply take all the edges of the sheet and place stars over them. Now take this Q-tip and insert it inside. Take a straw and this is done. Take inverted hearts and a circular shape like this. Place some eyes and ears of this cartoon of yours. Wow, well this nostril is very great. Now let him smile and this is done. And use these Q-tips now for your another piece of art. Simply make petals of the flower and then use these sticks over the cap. Place them over the bottle cap and then place clay ball inside it. Well, the flowers are being planted. Draw this on a pink sheet with the help of a black marker, and after doing that, you can simply draw the leaves in this manner over the branches or over the stems that are being drawn. Now, simply place the clay balls in this manner and take a glass. 2 glasses are to be taken and place them like this. On a cardboard, draw this. After doing that, you can draw the another parts of this elephant. Cut them and place it over here. After doing that, this game of yours will be made. Take this yellow sheet and now fold it in this direction. After folding it into this, you can see how it will look. Note the direction for the another steps and then again this sheet has to be folded like this. Now you have to take another sheet and you have to paste it over here. After pasting it over here, these feathers are ready. Take a mask and the thin strip of the mask is to be folded in this manner. Place it inside this fly and yes, the feathers are ready. Take a circular sheet of yellow color and start folding it in this manner. After folding it in this manner, you can make various shapes like this of various colors. Now you just have to place them accordingly and paste them near each other. After pasting them like this, you will get to know that this flower is being prepared. Take a thin strip and then insert it inside. After inserting it, you can see how beautiful it looks. Take this green sheet and start folding it in the manner as shown in the video. From the top and then to the bottom. You just have to fold it. Now after folding it, you will see how perfect it looks. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.